So Claude Code is one of those very popular AI tools for developers, for engineers to go through and build out your particular projects. Now, there's a lot of really cool stuff within Claude Code, but you might be trying to figure out how to go through and set it up and use it. Now, keep in mind, it can take a subscription fee to use Claude Code. So if you're trying to go through and use it, you will have to go through and basically understand it does require you to, have some sort of subscription fee, especially if you try to use it on the web. Now, if you click on open in browser, it's going to ask you to basically, connect to GitHub or whatever, and it's going to ask you to basically subscribe to the option. But if you want to, you can go through and still access it in some ways. Now, you can always ask Claude to generate you some code. So within the standard Claude.ai website, if I were to ask it, make a Python script to get an image and turn it around, I can go through and have it basically input this code. I can copy this code out. It's not going to be Claude code, but it is going to be a free way of kind of getting some code out there from your particular Claude environment. Now, if you look on the left side right here, there's a little button that says code. If you look right there, there's a code button. If you go through and you tap onto that code button, it will take you into that developer page I was just in. So it will tell you exactly here how to go through and set up and use your Claude Code environment. If you keep scrolling down, it will tell you you're going to have to go through and get the pro plan within Claude in order to actually take advantage of it. So you're going to have to go through, upgrade a plan, and pay either $17 per month or whatever these things are. Now, after that, you can then go through and you can basically get Claude Code in a couple of different environments. You can get Claude Code on the web. So you can tap on this on the web option and it will allow you to use Claude Code on the web. You can tap on the VS Code option and you can install Claude Code in your VS Code environment. So if you have VS Code installed on your computer, you can go through and use VS Code in this particular example as well. You can also install it in JetBrains. So if you're familiar with JetBrains, you can also just go through and install it in your JetBrains environment as well by tapping there. And you can also bring it into Slack. So if you want to bring Claude Code into Slack, you can also do it this way as well. So those are basically the main ways and essentially how to use Claude Code on your system. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.